The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Good Monday morning, fellas. Morning, guys. Guys, today is Monday, July 25th. Big week. Big week. Guys, we have obviously FOMC. Good morning, fellas. Tim, Becky, Peter, Patrick. Guys, good morning. Good morning. Scott, Dennis, Nick, Arjan, Sam. Guys, good morning. We obviously have FOMC begins tomorrow. Mark, good morning. We also have roughly 50% of NASDAQ reporting this week. I don't think we have any earnings today that we're interested in. I think we have tomorrow. Let's see here. Nothing today that we're interested in. Tomorrow, Google and Microsoft. Big. Wednesday, I think we have Apple. No, we have Meta on Wednesday. Qualcomm. And then Thursday, I mean, we got big earnings all week. Amazon, Thursday. Big week, guys. Big week. And Square. I almost think Square's going to beat. Retail sales have been pretty good. We'll see. I'll look at charts tonight for tomorrow and so on and so forth. In any event, we're close on the ES to a break back up, and I'll show you the charts in a minute. Let me quickly read the disclaimer. By the way, good morning, Albert. If you folks are here on trial, good morning and welcome. Let me quickly read the disclaimer, and we'll look at charts. U.S. government required disclaimer. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Don't trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. This presentation is for educational purposes only. The opinions expressed in this presentation are mine and mine alone. All trades presented should be considered hypothetical and should not be expected to be replicated in a live trading account. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts, and please trade according to your tolerance for risk. I apologize, guys. I'm still battling not only a cold, which I've had for the better part of a week. It is not COVID. But I also, on Saturday, got pink eye. So, here we go. Very quickly, coming into the start of the market, my bots are down 805. We had a winning trade in natural gas. This was the first trade my bots took right here. Winning trade in natural gas. And I had a losing trade in NASDAQ. That's what gave me the loss. Yeah, it's a pain in the neck. In any event, we're starting out the session down 805 on the bots. We'll see where we finish today. There's been no trades in the ES. Normally when we come in, we're somewhere around 68,000 contracts traded. I don't know why I don't have my volume profile here. And there we go. We have 52 net sellers. ES, 140,000 contracts, right around average volume. 4,600 currently net buyers. Gold, lighter volume, 700 plus net buying. Crude has 300 net buyers on decent volume. New day high. Bonds. It's an unfinished auction down here at 140.23. There's one just above here at 141.19. And natural gas, I guess, is going to fill in this data. I'll probably be correct tomorrow on the data. If anybody has any questions, holler. Here's YM. What's your question on RTY? I don't chart RTY, Barry. I don't trade it. I can. We will probably fail here if we can get to 26. That's not what I want. I don't think we can get there. Maybe. We're below the point of control currently. Target one filled on the bot. NASDAQ is a short at 62. If you guys want a NASDAQ short, 62. Morning, Tom. Welcome back, man. Thank you for that video. Come on, one more tick? Seriously? One more. There it is. Anybody take the natural gas long? Anybody in this trade? Morning, James. Morning, morning. Watch NASDAQ below 62 if you like the short. Let me move this out of the way. 188 contract negative delta on NASDAQ. But I do like the short. Come on, get below 62. First target, 57 will give it some support, but down to 52, and then 445. Okay. First and second targets on natty gas. I think NASDAQ works down to 450, 445, 450 area. That's on the hourly. If it comes below 42, it'll get hit. Okay, Dan. I got filled 62 half. I'm short 62 half. $52, $53 is a target. So let's call this about target 1. It isn't much, guys. And it should find some support just below that. Come on. Come down to 52, 53. If we break 52, we come 45. Little más. Uno más. Come on, poquito más. Give it. Come on, give me 53. You can do it. There you go, fellas. All right, target 1 hit. Not much, but target 1 hit. We need to break here, and your target is 45. So if you have runners, you're welcome, Chris. If you have runners, next target down is, call it 47, just ahead of that support zone. So you got target 1. Next target down is going to be here. Come on, 47. Give me 47, dog face pony soldier. $48. I'm front running the support to boot because the support's at 45. Cancel this for now. Next 10-minute bar, 2.5 minutes, I think we'll take it down. You could get 430. If this starts running downhill, you can get 430. Just below VWAP. There it is. All right, fellas. Now it's completely free. You can try to move this or trade this down to 430. Not bad from 62. Got 20 handles in this runner. 435. Up to give or take 500 negative contract, negative delta. That would be the next level down, 35. $530, 40 contract negative delta now. Still sellers. New 10-minute bar. All right. Trade them as you see fit, guys. But we wet our beak before the market opened. Got to come down through this 45 again. Anyone still carrying a short? Okay. I would put stop about 55. I wouldn't let it go above 55. Okay, Rich. Another bot trade on Natty Gas. If we get through this 42, we'll get that first target pretty quick. We're trading into a rising 95 at 51, so it may only be first target. I loved it, Ozzy. Thank you so much, my friend. You'll be forever a star on the website. Come on, Gas. Come on, buddy. We're trading into a rising 68 as well, which I don't like. There's first target, natural gas on the bot. Second target filled, natural gas and a new day high. All right, here comes your NASDAQ guys down to that next target. I think we'll get that 35. Out on the runner. No, the bot overrides the ATM, James. I'm using 1, 1, and 1. So I'm not using a generic ATM. I'm using the bot, TTP bot, 1 by 1 by 1 ATM. ES bot. We finally got that 35 target if anybody held. Morning, Greg. That ES bot took a short. I'm not in it. My bots are off, but it got first target. Still have about 6 minutes, guys. Anybody have any questions? Nice trade on Friday, Greg. What's the measure of life? I suppose we all measure it differently. This on the NASDAQ. Guys, when we came into the room, if you're joining late, my bots were down 800 and change. They're now down 115. As soon as they go up 700 plus, I'll shut them off. Assuming they go 700 up. Looks like we're going to sell on the open, fellas. There's NASDAQ got targets. Come on. Got to get above 70, 71. Wednesday. Morning, John. Watch for NASDAQ above VWAP. I'll be long there. Candle close. Yes, I rolled natural gas. All right, guys, watch NASDAQ. Come on, buddy. Come on. Come on. Give me that candle close through VWAP. Come on, yes. Got to 71. Joe Manchin testing positive for COVID. Got to get through VWAP, guys. That's not it. Didn't give me target yet. Come on, NASDAQ. Manchin plans to continue to work remotely. Come on, NASDAQ. Get back through 15 and let's go. It's all sellers in here on the NASDAQ. There's a bot trade somewhere. NASDAQ. I'm not sure what photo you're talking about. I mean, I don't know what you're talking about. There's first target on the NASDAQ bot. So first target, no runner yet. NASDAQ still chinking around. ES trying to come back up. ES gave a trade. It just didn't give me my target. 1,700 sellers in the NASDAQ. 1,800 sellers. Oh, okay. I thought you meant on the main website. I mean, NASDAQ is wanting to hold this area of support here, this first area of support. It just either breaks down here or bounces. Looks like it's trying to break lower. 1,900 sellers. Gonna be no, still not out on the runner. ES Quan back. Out on the runner. Bot's down 65 bucks. If we get above 39.70 and you want to buy 39.80 calls, you can buy 39.80 calls or 90s. Or 90s. Got to close above. All right. We got a short on the NASDAQ again and a long on the ES. Their ES got the long on the bot. NASDAQ's going to sell, it looks like. I can't see charts, guys. Out on the NASDAQ. Yes, they're 29 bucks. Target 2 filled on the ES bot. Target 2 filled on the ES bot. NASDAQ, another short. NASDAQ's killing me. Doesn't want to go up, doesn't want to go down. Out on the, there's target 1 on the NASDAQ. Let's see if we can get a runner here. Slightly higher high and a failure. It's basically a chop mess, fellas. $2,100 sellers now in the NASDAQ. 2,100. Natural gas now long on the bot. Can't do much with this NASDAQ, fellas. It's not doing anything. Natural gas holding basically at entry, one tick below, I think. NASDAQ 2,250 net sellers. ES pushes up through 73, it blows up. Through 73, it blows up. Right through our target, it goes. 39.80 calls. It's a lousy 30 minutes of trade so far, fellas. Metro. No, what got target? Oh, our first target, order flow trade. We got target 1 on the ES. This is where we should blow up on the ES. Watch the close above VWAP. Full close. Come on. Give me freaking VWAP. Let's go. Still failed. Down to 1900. Doop-de-doo. Doop-de-doo. Wait, guys. It failed on the long. Got target 1 on the short. Come on. Out on the runners at break even. ES is trying, guys. NASDAQ's not doing anything for us today. YM is long. I like YM. NASDAQ isn't giving us much. ES gave us first target, which was a nice trade. Just over 30 minutes into it, NASDAQ can't find a bid. If we come down through 70, it's going to sell. We're picking up sellers 2,500. I'd like to see 43. ES pulling back again. Guys, this is just a sloppy trade. Doesn't want to break up or down. Crude is breaking lower if you trade crude. I think here we go. 2,600 net sellers now. Come on, break below this 70 and this gets hit right here, below this. And this could come down to 43. Come on. $2,800 sellers. There it goes. There it goes. Come on, 43. Bot's got targets. There was your short, fellas, 70. Come on, 43. Give me yesterday's low. Come on, 43. 70 to 43. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let's get 43. Come on, buddy. Break. There you go. We got targets everywhere. I'll show the bot trades in a second, guys. I'm short. All right, here's what we got. ES shorted on the bot. First target only, not quite second target. We get 45, close enough. ES still holding that buy zone. Come on, you got enough sellers in here yet to kill him? You guys following along okay? Everybody getting? Everybody good? Guys? I mean, if I had, I don't see longs. Not yet. Come on, NASDAQ. 6 lousy handles. ES wants to go up. ES went long in the bot. NASDAQ's going to take a loss. So here's the ES. NASDAQ didn't lose yet. Boy, if this isn't the epitome of summer trading, I don't know what is. So we got the long and the ES and the short on the, there's target on the NASDAQ. Watch the low at 243. Yeah, I see it. I see it. I see out on that ES trade. I see the ES sellers. I'm watching Delta. We broke the low by 3 handles. Now we got a nice runner here in the NASDAQ. Target 1 filled ES. Target 1 filled ES. Target 2 filled ES. All right, I'm going to kill this runner here, guys. Basically a wash on the trade. See if we can get target 3 on the ES. Would it be nice? Would be nice. NASDAQ now has a target 280 on the hourlies, 280. NASDAQ's target is 280, fellas. I'll break down here. Break below 17 and it comes to the whole number quickly. You guys are short. Below 17, it comes to the whole number quickly. You got to be short, guys. 3,900 sellers. There's no long in the NASDAQ. Not yet. Not at least until we get to 280. ES breaks below that 58. It'll get that last target. Next 10-minute bar coming here in 17 seconds. Okay, out on the NASDAQ and the ES. We came into this first area of support. Still think we're coming down lower. 280 on the NASDAQ. ES has 6,000 net sellers now. 6,000. We've gone positive to negative. Let me take a look at Qs and SPYs. Man, not doing much here. NASDAQ's going to dump again. Below 17, NASDAQ comes to the whole number. A break of 17. Right here. That should take it down to the whole number. 4,200 sellers now. ES, a failure through this 58, takes it down. NASDAQ just cannot get a bid. Should come to the whole number, fellas, if you're short. Looks like we're going to trade down into here. 82 is my target. ES has to hold here. If it catches this little swing low at 54, they've halted one more engine at the Nord Stream pipeline. Yeah, this is on that Nord Stream news. Got about 10 handles from that target I had. You're welcome, Jeff. Guys, we're still on the ES. We're still holding that damn buy zone. We're not really selling out of it. Broke back a bit. Look, I'll show you. NASDAQ trying to turn up, it looks like, on the bot. No bot trades. If you guys are here on trial or if you're watching this video at home, there are no bot trades. NASDAQ guys can bid now to 370, 368, 370. NASDAQ looks like it's long to 370. Come on, buddy. Pump up the jam. Let's go. We're down to 3,300. That I don't know, John. I don't think so, but anybody know what happens to a PA account if you fail on the trailing draw, but you have profits? So I'm assuming what you're asking is you're over 53,000 and you got nicked on trailing draw again, or nicked on trailing draw. So let's say you're at 54.5 and you guys get hit on trailing draw. You get your money, you lose your profits. Yeah, that's why I stopped trading those accounts, fellas, until the volatility ends. I trade them later in the day, and I just scalp at them. Small stuff. Other than that, I'm trading my cash account. Yeah, I'm telling you, they want you to be scalpers, guys, not traders. There's a difference. There's nothing wrong with either style. Apex is not looking for traders. None of them are. They're looking for scalpers. They want, all right, we got a short on the ES spot. I'm not sure I'm digging it, but we do have a short. NASDAQ is trying to push up. Come on, NASDAQ. I got you going to 370. Let's go. We're down to 3,300 net sellers, guys. We were over 4,000. Well over. 47.61 was the highest net negative. We're now at 33. They bought almost 1,400 contracts back. At some point, it could be after 11:30, they're going to hang Europe out to dry with the shorts. Yeah, that's what I agree with. 88, 3880, 380. So we're in the same area. I agree with that. I even like yours a little better. 390, that area. Yeah. And then it should go 440. Come on, yes. Give me that first target. Let's go. Target one filled, ES bot. Nothing, no trades on the NASDAQ. Target one filled, ES bot. Out. I think my bots have been briefly green today by like 95 bucks. That's it. This chop isn't helping. Oh, got a NASDAQ bot short now. Yeah, that's all. I mean, I guess it's to be expected. We got big earnings tomorrow. FOMC starts tomorrow, culminates on Wednesday. But they're also, dragging these shorts in like idiots. Target one again only. That's all we're getting is target one. NASDAQ should break down to 99 again, maybe 88. But 60 buyers in here. Out. It's a wash trade. Get 12 handles, give 10 back on the runner. Amazon's below VWAP doing nothing. Apple below VWAP. Costco trying to push above VWAP might be an interesting trade. Tesla is in 7 minutes. Tesla will close above VWAP. It's pushing yesterday's close at 816.73. Dash will also close above VWAP. Roku is going to close above VWAP. AMD below VWAP. Microsoft below VWAP. DocuSign looks like it's going to close above VWAP. Netflix at VWAP. Facebook trying to bounce. Not a day to overtrade. I mean, no day's a day to overtrade, but today is not the day. Guys, I'm just going to grab coffee. I'll be right back. There goes ES. God dang it. I'm taking that break even off. I shut break even off on the bot. All right, guys. NASDAQ may be fixing to go. Yeah, I'll take it above VWAP. If we get above VWAP, I'm gone. I'm in. Down to 2,300 net sellers. NASDAQ ES here, guys. 68 long again. Or 68. Same targets, fellas. Same trade. 80 is final target. Come on, you rat bag. She needs to get above 69. NASDAQ, this could be the turn. We didn't quite get 82, but we got dang close. 87-ish on the NASDAQ. God darn it. That break even on the NASDAQ is killing me. I'm sorry, on the ES. We've gone through second target, headed towards third. We're longs, fellas. We're longs. We're getting there. We're getting there. Down to 2,300 net sellers. Got your close above VWAP on YM. Your long YM. Russell's above VWAP. Your long Russell. Your long YM, guys. Long Russell. Greg, what was your crude? Never mind. 96. What was your crude? Oh. Okay. It's a doop-de-doo kind of day, fellas. NASDAQ back into yesterday's low. Let me look at a 60-minute on this thing. Better entry above 88, and best entry above VWAP, full candle close. And I'm going to try to trade it to 420 target 1, and then 440. 423 is yesterday's close, and then 440. So this is your aggressive entry through 71. That's an aggressive entry. You want the candle to close, no different than anything else. There it is. So 71 was an aggressive entry. Better entry around 88, right there. And then best entry above VWAP. $50. I'm not in, just so you know. I'm not in. We're down to 2,000 sellers. My opinion is this is going to blow. That's my opinion. They're buying them all back. Again, I said this earlier. I suspect that Europe is going to get anxious. I mean, we're on the cusp of going below 2,000 sellers, guys. ES gets above 7150-ish, and she goes. I am in no trades. All right, new bars, guys. Top of the hour. Now we're holding yesterday's low. You're welcome, Ryan. Russian officials holding up a gas turbine, citing bad paperwork. Still holding 43. Which was yesterday's low. Good golly, man. Come on, push up here and go to freaking 390. We're missing 28% of our 3-month average daily volume, fellas. It's almost 1 in 3 traders. NASDAQ really needs to get above 6. I mean, we're not far, in my opinion, from breaking out. Looks like it's trying here. All right, I'm going to try a long here, 60. I'm filled on a long. I'm filled 63.75. I won't hold it long if this doesn't want to break. I'm filled 63.75. First, we need to get up through 71. All right. I'm out, guys. I'm out. Yeah, this is a pain in the neck trade for sure. We held yesterday's low again. We're flirting with oversold on this, 10-minute. Back to 2,600 sellers. I would look for a short maybe at 40. And here we go right back up. This is a pain. This is a big week, guys. This is a big week. Next 10-minute bar in 15 seconds. YM is hanging in there the best. ES isn't bad. I have a 33 target on the NASDAQ. There's 33. Got 33 target. Now come on down to, there we go. Come on. Boy, I'd like another bot trade. If we come down below 22, it gets wiped. Below 22, this gets wiped. So the 33 was hit. ES is now rolling over on the small time frame. Below 22, guys, you can short NASDAQ here. You can short it. We're coming down. Here we come. If we take out 1250, we're probably going to get wiped. All right, we got a short on the ES bot. Right back in. I gotta take this off. That's out. Come on, ES, let's go. If you're short NASDAQ, your first target is the whole number. Call it 01301 from 22. 301. Come on. 301 is target one, fellas, and then free trade. You're trying to get to 278 would be final. 278. The hourlies are shorts. As always, trade them as you see fit. If ES breaks down below 57, it'll get all three targets on the bot. Okay, there's target one, another winning trade. You can see I took the break even off because it's just killing me. Boy, NASDAQ just does not want to give. Came to 6. Could pop to 23 again where it broke down from. Back up to 3,000 sellers. Come on, 01. Come on, seriously? This is just that lack of volume. All right, Tom. Nice job. Yeah, this is, I suspect tomorrow will be much of the same. $28.75. Leo, I don't know where you're short from. If you've been in the room a long time, I'm going to presume you took that 22 short. Yeah, 20 short with an 01. Now, let me ask you a question. How do I normally trade? In fact, almost always. How do I trade? If target 1 is hit, what's my stop? Again, teaching moment. What's my stop? I can give you the real stop. Real stop is 65. I don't think you want that. Right. Break even. Thank you. I go to break even, fellas. You're back on ES on what? Long or short? I don't know what you're. I just missed my Amazon trade. No, it's got a clear VWAP, Dan. 68 would be it for me. Right back up to yesterday's low. We'll wrap it up at 11:30, fellas. So just to go over, my bots will finish down 1326. That is mostly on natural gas, guys. The ES took I don't have that trade, so we're not counting that. Took one trade, first and second target winners. 2 trades, first target winner. 3 trades, a loser. 4th trade, first and second targets. This is the same trade. 5th trade, first and second targets. 6th trade, first, second, and third. And 7th trade, first target only. I have no idea. I'm assuming, Scott. So 7 trades, 6 winners on the ES. Natural gas was the culprit today, fellas, for the loss. If you guys don't trade it, your bots are well green. NASDAQ today from 8 o'clock. No, that's 748, so no. All right, first trade, 947. First and second targets. Losing trade, first and second targets. 2 for 3. This is the same trade, 3 for 4. 4 for 5. If you only trade ES and NASDAQ, you're well green on your bots. Well green. And right at the end, we got a long on gold, which is the first trade of the day. MES bot, one of the guys is only trading MES. He had no losers on MES. We just got a NASDAQ trade. Right into the close. NASDAQ's going to have to get up above 360 to do anything. 360. Hang on one second. Okay, guys. All right, NASDAQ got target 1 on the bot. Let's see if we can get a damn runner out of this thing. All right, NASDAQ ES just went long in the bot as well. This is that 60 area again. If we get above, we're going 67 and higher. Come on, push it, NASDAQ. You're trying to squeeze up. Come on. Come on, NASDAQ. There we go. Guys, if this breaks out above 73, it's going to pop. Above 73. Remember that 71. If this goes through 71, 72, it'll scramble. It's pushing 15-minute resistance. Here it goes. Trying. Come on, get through that 71. Now let's go excoriate these shorts. Let's kill them. ES bot trying to get first target. Got it. There we go. This is what's got to break right here. It's the top of the cloud. It's breaking. Come on, buddy. Let's go. Come on. Push it, baby. Get through that cloud and run. This is the break right here. It's a 2-minute cloud. Should get 77. If we can get above 77, then it goes 90. Above 77, we go 90 pretty quickly. All right, so I guess we're not done with the bots. We got a runner going here, guys. 24 handle runner here. This is going to squeeze in the next candle. This is going to squeeze. Anybody have those? Anybody holding 3980 SPX calls? Here it comes. There we go. Second target filled on the ES bot. This should squeeze. This should go. This should go to 90 now. 88 to 90. Come on. Guys, we're so close to this busting. We're down to 2,100 sellers. And if this gets through VWAP, they're going to kill them. They're going to kill the shorts. Anybody long? Okay, Gary. All right, fellas. God, it took all day to get a decent trade. Nice job, Dan. Yeah, it was a tough trade. We're, low volume, probably the biggest week of the year with 4 of the biggest NASDAQ stocks reporting this week, FOMC as well. It was a tough trade. I don't think many people want to be, positioned ahead of all of this. We got 84. Nice job, Ed. Very nice. Well, the bots had a great day. ES and NASDAQ, ES and NASDAQ had a great trade. What ruined the trade today was natural gas. I mean, fellas, if ES gets that third target and this breaks above VWAP, really gets above 93, it's going 420 and 440. So I'm going to close this out. We're down $300. Bots finished down $131. They're done. $131. Yeah, I would. 131 stinking dollars, fellas. No, listen, and it's not, if you're only trading the NASDAQ and the ES, you're free. You killed it. You killed it. It's natural gas that, beat me up today. Natural gas killed me. But nonetheless, look, these are the trades. 1, 2 for 2, 2 for 3, 3 for 4, 4 for 5. That's the same trade. 5 for 6, 6 for 7, and 7 for 8. 7 for 8. 87.5% win rate. All right, fellas, time for me to wrap it up. I will see everyone tomorrow, 8 a.m. Okay? The earnings tomorrow start. I'm pretty much done for the day, fellas. Yeah, I'll be resting today. I'll get over this eventually. Guys, be blessed. Trials, thank you. Yeah, Dean.